Have you ever wondered why some highly technically proficient individuals struggle to climb the professional ladder, while others with seemingly less technical skills soar high? It's a puzzling scenario that has baffled many. The common misconception is that technical skills alone are the key to success in the workforce. But the reality is far from it. In the ever-evolving professional landscape, it's not just about what you know, but how you apply what you know and how you interact with others. Enter soft skills, those intangible qualities like communication, leadership, and emotional intelligence that complement your technical prowess. They're the secret ingredients that give your technical knowledge context, making it more effective and impactful. In the next few minutes, we're going to delve into a fascinating case study that illustrates the power of balance between technical skills and soft skills. As we proceed, we will explore the story of two individuals to demonstrate the importance of this balance. Meet Jane and John. Both are software developers, both are highly educated, but their career trajectories are vastly different. Why? Let's take a closer look. Jane is a technical whiz. She can write code that leaves her colleagues in awe, and she's the go-to person when a tough problem needs cracking. Jane is a workhorse, often the first to clock in and the last to leave. Despite her technical prowess and dedication, Jane's career seems to be in a bit of a standstill. She's been in the same position for years, watching others climb the ladder while she remains stuck. Now, let's turn our attention to John. John is also a software developer. He's competent, but his technical skills don't quite match up to Jane's. Regardless, John's career is on a fast track. He started at the same level as Jane, but he's already been promoted to a managerial position. So what sets Jane and John apart? It's not the technical skills. Jane outshines John in that aspect. It's the soft skills, the people skills, if you will. John has a knack for communication. He can explain complex concepts in a way that anyone can understand. He's a natural leader, able to inspire his team and guide them towards a common goal. John also possesses a high degree of emotional intelligence. He understands his own emotions and those of others, enabling him to navigate office politics with ease and build strong relationships with his colleagues. These soft skills have played a significant role in John's success. They've helped him stand out, not just as a developer, but as a well-rounded professional. They've allowed him to bridge the gap between the technical and the non-technical, making him an invaluable asset to his company. While Jane remains stuck, John moves up, not because he is a better programmer, but because he knows how to balance his technical skills with his soft skills. The tale of Jane and John is a reminder that in the professional world, technical prowess is only part of the equation. To truly excel, one must master the art of balancing hard skills with soft skills. So how can we, like John, find the balance between technical skills and soft skills? Well, it starts with understanding that both sets of skills are not mutually exclusive, but complementary. Think of it this way. Your technical skills are like the foundation of a house, while your soft skills are the finishing touches that make it a home. To develop your soft skills, start with active listening. It's not just about hearing. It's about understanding and responding appropriately. Next, practice empathy. Put yourself in others' shoes to understand their perspective. It's a crucial skill in building strong relationships and fostering teamwork. Then, work on your leadership skills. A good leader inspires, motivates, and drives a team towards success. Most importantly, never stop learning. The world is always changing, and so should your skills. Adaptation is key in maintaining balance. Remember, the path to success is a journey, not a sprint. It requires constant learning, adaptation, and balance. So what can we learn from Jane and John's story? From their unique journeys, we've gleaned the undeniable importance of balancing technical prowess with soft skills. These two attributes are far from mutually exclusive. Instead, they intertwine to create a comprehensive professional profile. Jane's technical expertise gave her the tools to excel in her field, while John's interpersonal skills allowed him to connect, collaborate, and lead effectively. Both are critical components of a successful career, and their absence can leave a noticeable void. It's like a scale, you see. If one side is heavier than the other, the balance is lost. To maintain equilibrium, we need to cultivate both our technical skills and our soft skills. This balance can significantly impact our career progression, opening doors that may have otherwise remained closed. In conclusion, to truly succeed in today's dynamic work environment, we need to master not only our technical skills but also our soft skills. It's not about being the best in one, but being balanced in both.